Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to improve your English grammar, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into an essential part of grammar, determiners. In this video, you will learn what determiners are, how they function, and how they fit understanding of how to use determiners in everyday writing and speaking. Let's get started. So, what exactly are determiners? Determiners are words that come before a noun to give more details about that noun. They help specify the noun, whether it's something specific or general, and whether we are referring to one or many things. What's interesting is that determiners can also come before adjectives or even adverbs in a sentence. There are five main types of determiners that we will focus on today. These are articles, demonstratives, possessives, numerals, and quantifiers. Each of these determiners has a specific role in clarifying the noun they precede. Let's break them down one by one. At first, let's talk about articles. We have two types, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles a and an are used when we are talking about something in general. For example, I have a book. The is the definite article used when we are referring to something specific. For example, I read the book. Articles always come before the noun and in some cases before an adjective too. Next, we have demonstratives. Words like this, that, this, and those point to specific things or people. We use this and these for things that are near, and that and those for things that are farther away. For example, this book is amazing, and I like those shoes. Demonstratives always come before the noun they modify. Now let's look at possessives. Possessives show ownership or relationship and they always come before the noun. For example, this is my car or that's his house. Possessive determiners are great for showing whose noun we are talking about. Numerals are used to specify the exact number or position of a noun. For example, I have two pens or this is the first time. Numerals always come before the noun and sometimes even before adjectives. Quantifiers tells us how much or how many. For example, I have many books or there are few people here. Quantifiers also come before the noun and can sometimes come before an adjective. What's interesting about determiners is that they don't just come before nouns, they also come before adjectives and adverbs in a sentence. For example, some small children were playing outside. Here the determiner some comes before the adjective small and the noun children, or the nearly disaster was averted. Here the determiner the comes before the adverb nearly, which modifies the noun disaster. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on determiners. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how determiners work before noun, adjective and adverbs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more grammar tips. See you in the next video.